In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could fix no sound here on YouTube. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First, go ahead and try playing a video, for example, and we're going to use one of my old videos as an example, and just essentially make sure that it's not muted, or press M to unmute or mute, just like so. As you can see, this one is not muted, and if you still can't hear anything, go ahead and just move on to the next step, which is essentially right-clicking the browser tab up at the very top, and if it says unmute site right here, that means your site is going to be muted, so you need to make sure it is unmuted just like so. If that doesn't fix it still though, go ahead and go over to the three little dots right here, select it, and then go down to settings to open up settings, and once you're in settings, go ahead and find privacy and security on this left-hand sidebar. Open that up, scroll down to site settings, just like so. Once you're on site settings, go ahead and find sound and see if you have sound blocked on a specific, site. Obviously, the sound is blocked on this playrium.com. I honestly don't even know what that is, but essentially make sure that YouTube does not have it blocked as well. But that really is it. If you still have no audio, it's going to be coming from your computer itself. You could just right click on the little sound icon and open up your sound settings and just make sure that you have everything set to the correct input and output device. You could also go to your volume mixer and just make sure that your browser isn't muted and the volume is turned up. But after that, just try reloading YouTube and you should be good to go. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.